Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you some very useful kitchen organization products which will be very helpful for you guys if you are looking forward to organize your kitchen, to make it clutter free and a happy kitchen. And especially for the girls out there who are looking forward to just get married and want to have some tips in organizing their room, their homes and so on. So let's get started. So our first product is this pan holder rack, which is designed to fit all the sizes of your pan or lids. Now you can either place it vertically or horizontally as per your needs. Because of its foldable feature, you can adjust it depending on your countertop or rack size. I have also listed the prices you can see. Also, you can check the description box of all the items I have used. And now the second product is this corner shelf, which is placed on countertop. This multi-purpose space-saving rack helps you organize your kitchen at its best. You can place your spice box, your rolling pins, or whatever, and any cups, etc. Well, now comes the third product, which is my favorite product. This is folding rack. It's a perfect shelf for your kitchen, cupboards, shelves, and refrigerators. Now you can create that extra space within your existing cupboards. So this will be a great buy if you're looking forward to organize your kitchen area or your bathroom. Well, our next product is a lazy Suzanne, or you can call it as twist and pick stand, which is craftily designed to improve the looks of your kitchen. Now, instead of keeping the essentials like shakers, ketchup, spreads, pickles, etc., in scattered place, you can place them in one stand and pick them whenever you need. Also, it is ideal for gifting too. Now comes the stair rack for spices, which is the best solution for your countertops, drawers, cabinets, and pantries, as the hidden items are also accessible because of its staircase feature. Now you can put all your spices in one rack. Well, now comes a towel hanger, which is perfect for hanging towels or gloves in kitchen or bathroom area, so that it can come handy whenever you need it for cleaning. And now, as it is hook design, it is very easy to hang on any door, cabinet, or shelf. Well, undershelf basket is also a very great deal to buy for a kitchen. It is designed to utilize that waste space in cupboards. It is very useful item in your kitchen, office, pantry, or bathroom. Next is this plastic fruit basket, which is a multi-purpose basket for your refrigerator, pantry, or kitchen. Well, unlike last product are these anti-slip mats, which are also a great buy for your kitchen drawer areas. Because of its anti-slip feature, jars don't spill whenever we take it. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon too. I'll be back again with some new video. Till then, take care, love ya, and keep smiling.